A volcano erupted in southwestern Iceland yesterday, and in the afternoon streams of molten lava reached the outskirts of the small fishing town of Grindavik. The hot lava is engulfing more buildings. Drone footage showed fiery lava flows setting houses on fire on Sunday.
This morning was that an eruption started very close to Grindavik, which is very serious. We have been following the development of the rupture since, and actually the barriers that we have been building, even though they are not finished, we have seen that they are actually providing some protection for the town, so the lava has changed its direction. But then around noon we had a new shock when a fissure opened within the town, and there is lava flowing up from that fissure. Already several houses have gone under lava, so it's a very serious situation we're faced with here right now.
Authorities built barriers of earth and rock in recent weeks to try to prevent lava from reaching Grindavik, some 40 kilometres southwest of the capital Reykjavik, but the latest eruption has penetrated the town's defences.
We had this eruption started just before 8 o'clock this morning. It was on the area where we have been expecting it to come, but unfortunately it went a little bit more south than we had hoped for. So it went inside the barriers that we have already built, and then also about 3-4 hours later we had another opening just outside the town of Grindavik.
The volcano appeared to be less active on Monday after molten lava flows reached the outskirts of the fishing village around noon on Sunday, setting 3 houses alight. The town had been evacuated earlier, and there was no immediate danger to people. Live video footage on Monday showed glimpses of orange lava still flowing to the surface, but at smaller volumes and further away from the town. It was the second eruption on the peninsula of Reykjanes in 4 weeks and the 5th since 2021.